You are welcome to this video. So in this video we are going to learn how to auto fit column width. A common challenge that beginners face is that when they paste in data into the worksheet, most times the data does not seem to align with the width of the column, because each column actually has predefined width. You can go to format and check the column width. You can see each column width is about 6.57. We have 6.57 here. We have 8.14 here. We have 6.8 here. So you can see, but what we can do in order not to adjust all of them one after the other, because that's what most beginners do. They try to start adjusting them one after the other, one column after the other. So they go to column A and drag, go to the other column and try to adjust manually. But this can actually take a lot of time, and especially if you have plenty of data and plenty of columns to work with. So what you can do instead is to use the auto fit column feature. So let's take them back to the original place. So what you can do is to highlight the entire data set. We are on the home tab right now. Go to format, then go to auto fit column width. Now you can see that they all appear very well on the columns right now. So the auto fit column width will adjust all columns automatically to make sure that every data in there automatically fits into the column. Thank you. That's all for this video.